The voice habit that destroys your authority in any meetings. Some voices are so sweet to listen. Some we don't like to listen. Again, why there is such a huge difference in the voice? Set aside the matter. You say something in a meeting. It is a solid idea, brilliant, but no one reacts. 2 minutes later, someone else says almost the same thing, and suddenly everybody start agreeing and start clapping for you. What happened? It is not your idea, it is your voice. There is one small voice habit that quietly destroys your authority in the meetings. Most people think authority comes from job title, experience, confidence. But in meetings, authority is often judged in seconds based on how you sound. There is one common habit that weakens authority instantly: ending statements like a question. This is called upspeaking. When your tone rises at the end of the sentence, your statement sounds uncertain. Even when your idea is strong, the brain interprets rising tone as, "Are you sure about this?" And people hesitate to trust the message. Upspeaking is dangerous. Imagine a weekly operations meeting. A team member says, "I think we should delay the product launch." Little rise at the launch. The sentence sounds like a question. People hesitate. The manager responds, "Why would we do that?" Now the speaker becomes defensive. Same situation. Now imagine a different delivery. Pay attention to the tone. "We should delay the product launch." Clear statement. There are three risks we have not resolved yet. The room listens. Because the voice sounds decisive and grounded. Same idea, different authority. Let me give you a framework. DEEP. Voice method to remove this habit and build authority. Use the deep voice method if whenever you like to create the impact on the people. Number one, drop your tone. End with always certainty. And three, emphasize keywords. Number four, pause with control. Number one, dropping your tone. Lower your tone at the end of every sentence. Weak expression like this: "We could try a different approach." Strong expression of the same: "We could try a different approach." Falling tone signals confidence, rising tone creates the confusion. Step number two, end with certainty. Avoid soft endings like "I think," "maybe," "we should," "kind of." No. Instead of "I think this might work," say "this will work." Step number three, emphasize the keywords. Stress important parts of your sentence. For example, "We need to focus on customer retention." Retention. Emphasis guides the attention towards necessary and avoids unnecessary. Number four, pause with control. After speaking, pause instead of filling silence with the so. "We should test this approach." Give a pause. Silence reinforces authority. Let us demonstrate the two styles. Low authority voice. "So I think maybe we could adjust the pricing strategy." Fast delivery, rising tone, no pause. Result: people question the idea, question the person. Now using the deep voice method. "We should adjust the pricing strategy. It is affecting our conversion rates clear, grounded, authoritative. The result? People will listen to you. My dear friends and future great communicators, when you change this one voice habit, something powerful happens in every conversation. Your ideas start landing differently to the same audience who neglected once upon a time. People take your words more seriously. You feel more in control of your conversations because authority is not just what you say, it is how your voice signals certainty and clarity. And when your voice communicates that clearly, your voice becomes powerful. That is the philosophy of the VAAK. That is the true power of your voice. That is the creative essence of your words. If you want to master communication, voice power, confidence, leadership speaking, please subscribe to VAAK, because when your voice carries authority, people start listening differently and you land up on different career options. Your ideas worth spreading. Your voice is power. Let us build a strong nation with great communicators. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. You are with KVC.